The Korky Strongarm 6071 package includes the primary components needed to replace a standard toilet trip lever and connect to the tank arm. Inside the box, you will find a handle and trip lever assembly designed to fit most toilet models, a universal mounting arm that can be shortened or widened to match your tank geometry, an additional chain clip so you can adjust chain length without cutting, and a mounting nut size to secure the lever to the tank through the tank wall. Also included are clear setup instructions that walk you through removing the old lever, positioning the new arm so it moves freely without rubbing the tank, attaching the chain to allow 1/4 to 3/8 inches of slack when the flapper is closed, and testing the flush to ensure the flapper seats properly and does not run. For a smooth installation, close the water supply and flush to empty the tank before you start. Use a towel to catch any remaining water, and hand tighten the mounting nut to avoid cracking porcelain, then test and retighten only if necessary. If the universal arm is too long, use a pair of side cutters or a hacksaw and file the cut edge for a clean fit. And if the chain clips do not align, swap to the extra clip and reposition it on the arm until the flapper lifts evenly. If anything in the package looks different than described, compare parts to the packaging list and the manufacturer website to confirm you have every piece before beginning. Common mistakes include over-tightening the mounting nut, which can crack the tank, so tighten by hand and finish with at most a quarter turn using a wrench. Another frequent issue is incorrect chain length, causing either a running toilet or an incomplete flush. Fix this by adjusting until there is about 1/4 to 3/8 inches of slack at rest, and ensure the clip is secure without binding. People also forget to test the arm movement and flapper seating together, so cycle the handle several times after installation and observe the flapper seat. If it does not, reposition the chain attachment point on the arm and recheck. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners locate local contractors and compare who can assist with installations like this and other bathroom repairs. We also help contractors find work and connect with potential clients, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips and troubleshooting experiences.